What is AI automation? What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this, millions of tasks that used to take humans hours are being done in seconds? No coffee breaks, no mistakes, no sleep. That's not science fiction, that's AI automation. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to break it down for you in plain English so you actually understand what it is, how it works, and why it's changing literally everything. Today we're talking about AI automation. I get asked about this literally every week. What is it? Is it going to take my job? How do I use it? So I figured, let me just make one video that answers all of that. By the end of this, you'll know what AI automation actually means, how it's different from regular automation, real-world examples from industries you already know, and, most importantly, what this means for you. Okay, let's start simple. Automation, before AI even enters the picture, is just getting a machine to do something that a human used to do. That's it. Think about a car factory. In the 1950s, humans welded every single car part by hand. Today, robots do it. That's automation. A machine doing a repetitive task faster and more consistently than a human. But here's the thing. Traditional automation is kind of dumb. And I don't mean that in a bad way, I mean it's rigid. You program it to do one specific thing and it does exactly that, nothing more, nothing less. If something changes, it breaks, it can't adapt. That's where AI comes in, and this is where it gets really interesting. AI automation is automation that can think. Well, not literally think like you and me, but it can learn from data, recognize patterns, make decisions, and adapt to new situations. It doesn't need a human to rewrite its rules every time something changes. Here's a simple way to think about it. Traditional automation is like a recipe. You follow the exact steps. If an ingredient is missing, you're stuck. AI automation is like a chef. A good chef can look at whatever's in the kitchen and still make you something amazing. They adapt, they learn, they improve. So AI automation combines the speed and consistency of machines with the adaptability and intelligence of, well, intelligence. That's the magic combination. Let me give you some examples you've probably already experienced without even realizing it. Example 1, email. When Gmail suggests a reply like, "Sounds great, thanks," that's AI automation. It read your email, understood the context, and suggested a response. You didn't ask it to. It just did. Example 2, customer service. Have you ever chatted with a company's website and a bot answered your question immediately at 2 a.m.? That's AI automation handling customer support. No human needed. Example 3, healthcare. Doctors are now using AI that scans thousands of X-rays and flags potential problems faster than any human radiologist could. It doesn't replace the doctor, it gives them a superpower. Example 4, content and marketing. Companies are using AI to write first drafts of blog posts, generate ad copies, analyze which marketing campaigns work, all automatically. And this is just the surface. Finance, law, education, manufacturing, agriculture. Every single industry is being touched by this. You might be wondering, okay, but how does it actually work? At the core, AI automation is powered by something called machine learning. Basically, you feed an AI system millions of examples, it finds patterns in those examples, and it uses those patterns to make decisions on new, unseen situations. Think of it like a child learning language. You don't explain grammar rules to a toddler. They just hear thousands of sentences and eventually, they figure it out. AI does the same thing, just way faster and at a massive scale. On top of that, you have large language models, things like ChatGPT or Claude, that can read, write, and understand text, and computer vision models that can see and analyze images. And these systems can now work together in pipelines to complete complex multi-step tasks automatically. That combination? That's what makes modern AI automation so powerful. So let's recap. AI automation is the combination of artificial intelligence and automation, giving machines the ability to not just do tasks, but to learn, adapt, and improve over time. It's already in your email, your customer service, your healthcare, your business tools. And it's only getting more powerful. The smartest move you can make right now, start learning about it, start experimenting with it, because this isn't a future thing, this is a right now thing. If you want to go deeper, I've linked some resources in the description below, and if you want me to cover a specific AI tool or topic next, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.